Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mustafa and today I'm going to review my new machine from Creality, Ender-3 V3 KE. So I'll start with printing a Pinchy. This printer came with direct extrusion. Maximum temperature of the nozzle is 300 degrees Celsius and for the bed is 100 degrees Celsius. Comes without adjustable springs for the bed, so it's totally freehand auto bed leveling. You can see here the CR touch sensor, and there is another gauge or another sensor for the Z offset. Double fans. I really like the design. The x-axis come with a linear rail, and the y-axis comes with linear rods. There is a built-in Wi-Fi for online printing using the app on the mobile phone or the website for Creality Cloud printing. Out of the box came with filament run-out sensor and this support for the filaments. This is fixed and you can print throughout flash memory. No more using of the SD cards, or connect your printer with Wi-Fi and print with the application through your phone. I have tested some objects, starting with first layer, this plastic paper printed out nicely. We can see at the edges there is some defections. Other than that, it's really good. I have tested elastic material, this squishy ball and rubber band, and this stick boy, also very nice quality. Check out this object. Printed without supports. Of course, the Pinchy. This one printed only with 20 minutes printing time. Decent Benchy. This cube printed without supports with PLA hyper material, comes out of the box with the printer. So this printer can print at maximum speed, 500 millimeter per second, and maximum acceleration 8,000 millimeter per second with only hyper PLA material. This cube also printed with PLA hyper material. This is assembled group, so it's printed separately, then I glue it together. Also, I've tested PET material, and I printed this cup and this tree. So this PET material is recycled from drinking bottles. So now I'm testing Benchy printing with the Creality Hyper PLA at maximum speed. This G code is pre-modified and comes saved in the printer itself. So with the maximum speed and maximum acceleration, the table is shaking. So always I'm using my dehumidifier from Eson. So I didn't install filament support at the top of the printer. So this printer is supporting camera. You can install external camera to watch your printing online, but there is no camera comes with the printer from the box. You have to buy it separately. Checking the level of sound from my watch. By the way, we can adjust Z offset, printing flow rate, printing speed, Z offset, and fan speed. You can adjust also bed temperature and extrusion temperature. Alright, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please consider subscribing and liking, sharing the video.